Walang rules dito. Nasaan dito ang confidential funds? Madam Chair, I still request for the rules of the budget hearings. Gusto mo sagutin ko, ma'am?
Yes, Madam.
This is a hearing of the budget of 2025. Nasaan dito ang confidential funds? Yung tanong niya,
Madam
confidential
Chair.
funds. Nasaan dito?
Honorable
Madam
friends,
Chair, ang topic natin dito at ang pinasubmit ninyo sa amin is the budget proposal of 2025. Where in the budget proposal of 2025 is the item confidential funds. Sa in aid of legislation nga ninyo, nakalagay nga doon sa rules ninyo, diba? The discussion should be germane to the topic. The topic is the 2025 budget proposal. Now tell me,
yes, you may proceed.
I request that the chairperson of the Finance Committee preside over this hearing.
You are a research person this
Not-
hearing, Madam President.
I did
Vice
not move,
President.
ma'am. I requested. Narinig mo yung sinabi niya, ma'am? Narinig mo yung
please proceed.
nakikinig ka sa kanya kanina?
Absolutely.
Walang rules dito.